All right, it's time to have ourselves an experience. Right now, what we're going to be tasting for the first time, at least for me, is going to be this Mountain Dew. Hold on, I got to grab it because it's purple something. Hold on. Purple Thunder. All right. All right, Purple Thunder. Just let you guys know, this is a non-alcoholic situation. I saw it on an end cap at my local grocery store, and I was like, let's try that. All right, we always want to have ourselves a tasting experience. Hold on. All right, so we have Mountain Dew, but it's always like a lime fragrance. But what else is that? That's raspberry and something else. It's raspberry and something else. I'm not too sure. But let's get our pour on. I think that's plenty. You know, growing up, I had a choice between Mountain Dew or Dr. Pepper. Let's just say it was always Dr. Pepper. All right, here we go. Funky color, baby. Yeah, I don't know what that is. There's lime, there's Mountain Dew lime, then some sort of berry. I want to go with raspberry on this one, and there's something else. That's plum. You know why I know it's plum? Because sometimes I mistake raisin for plum, and there's no way in hell they put raisin in this. So plum. Yep, that's plum. It's way more plum forward because it works well with the lime. That is clean. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. And then it finishes like a raspberry blackberry like jammy situation. Or strawberry. You can probably go with strawberry with it. So here's what we got. We got Mountain Dew signature flavor, right? Which is that lime Mountain Dew flavor. Then for me, what hits that taste bud, what hits the button is plum. To me, it went automatically raisin, and I always get those two like mixed up. They're kind of almost for me in my palate, they're almost the same. And so if I go, why would they put raisin in something? Then I go automatically to plum. So I was like, there it is. Once I told my brain that's what we have, then that's what we're having. And then it finishes up with like this jammy blueberry raspberry situation. But it's berry, but definitely plum. That is juicy. Now we can switch it up a little bit and say maybe a touch of like if you're not familiar with these things, you could also say um, a little bit of apricot and a touch of like some sort of strawberry pineapple. All I know is it's very tropical, but if you can get the plum and the berry, baby, you right there. The color, it's cool. I'm all right with it. It's purple. I know the camera's making it look blue, just the way the light hits it. But not a bad soda. Now, the other thing I can tell you about the flavor profile of this particular soda, it's not sweet. And what do I mean by that? Of course, it's sweet, it's pleasant, it's palatable, but it's not over the top. It's not sugared. It's not gonna assault the taste buds like, ooh, that's too much sugar. It's like nice and it's pleasant. It's enjoyable. It has that consumer satisfaction that a soda should bring. Should bring you joy. Shouldn't like oversaturate and like override the senses. It should just be a very interesting experience, and that's what this delivered. Highly recommend it. Guys, enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below. Cheers.